Hello everyone. Today we shall look into scenario where we have this particular table where we have the session ID and duration. Okay, and we need to find out by creating a bins within the duration, like within the hours, right? If it is 0 to 5 or 5 to 10 or 10 to 15 or 15 to 15 minutes or more. Okay, or you could say it is not minutes, maybe it is hours, or you could say 15 hour or more. Oh, so we shall use some case when statements in order to resolve it. We shall see how to create the bins using case when statement. I'll write select. I need all the information from the table, so I'll write select star comma. I'll write a case statement where I'll write case. Okay, and I'll write when. Okay, I'll write when if my duration column divided by 60 is if it is less than 5, then I need this 0 to 5 within square brackets. Okay, this is my first condition. If it is this particular case divided by 5 is less than 5, it is 0 to 5, right? Again I'll just write another case. If it is greater than 5, and if the duration divided by 60, it is less than 10, right? Our condition would be 5 to 10. Similarly, we have another condition where if it is greater than 10 and less than 15, we can call it as 15, 10 to 15, right? So here we are trying to create bins so that we can understand what is the count of sessions where the user visits the application and spend the time accordingly. Here we have one more condition, right, where duration by 60, if it is greater than 15, or you could say greater than or equal to 15, then I will call as 15 or more. Okay, and I will end the case statement, right, and I will give the alias's name as segment. Okay, and this all the details we shall fetch it from the table called session. So what I'll do is I'll write from table called session. Now if I execute, if you could see that this is the session ID duration and this is a segment. Based upon this calculation, we are able to make it into respective bins, right? By dividing by 60, we are trying to see the number of hours, whether it is ranging from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, or 10 to 15, or 15 or more. So we have created the segment. Now all what we want is, based upon the particular segment, we want to see number of sessions. So what I'll do is I'll just include this within CTE. I'll write with CTE as, I'll enclose this particular query within parenthesis, right? Here what I'll write is a select clause, select, I want segment, right? I'll call it as segment bins, right? I'll put a comma, and I want the count of rows. So I'll write count star as, I'll call it as bin count, right? From the CTE table, right, from the CTE common table expression, I want to group by segment, right? So when I group by the segment and count the number of rows of bin count, if I select the query together and execute, you could see that within the range of 0 to 5 we have 3 sessions, within 0 range of 5 to 10 we have 1 session, and 15 or more we have 1 session. So in this way we can use the case statement, okay, case when statement within CTE in order to make such bins, and it would be quite helpful in particular scenarios. I hope this is understandable. Please practice using some sample data. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.